Tesla new gear shift lever is complicated and believed to be dangerous. What's wrong with the conventional shifter? Now, changing gears or drive position in an electric vehicle isn't complicated. Most automatic cars have park, reverse, neutral, and drive positions. Now, using the lever or button array to let drivers change between them at will. There was absolutely nothing wrong with this setup, but Tesla thought otherwise. When the facelifted Tesla Model S sedan and the Tesla Model X SUV debuted, they arrived with a controversial new feature. Rather than a round steering wheel, the Model S and the Model X were pictured with odd yoke-shaped wheels. The National Highway Traffic and Safety Administration has yet to decide if this new wheel is legal. But more worrying, the updated Tesla cars also lack a traditional turn signal, our gear selector stalk. Now, Elon Musk claimed the car could signal and change drive position by itself. And now we have a better idea of how that will work. And let's check that out. No more stocks, cars guesses, drive directions based on what obstacles it sees. Context and nav map. You can override on touchscreen, Musk said on Twitter. To say we were skeptical of a car choosing between drive and reverse on its own would be an understatement, but Tesla has at least baked in a manual override, likely for safety reasons. Unfortunately, it seems pretty complicated. Now, videos posted to Twitter shows a driver overriding the car system to change into drive or reverse. This action takes place on the central touchscreen by swiping up for drive or down for reverse. Posts on social media points out this functionality is only there as an override, and a car should know what position to be in automatically. Now, we can already see dozens of issues here. Now, what happens if the car chooses incorrectly and the touchscreen fails? Could someone accidentally put the car into drive or reverse when trying to change the radio station? And how will the car know to indicate during the last second turning maneuvers? Then there's the biggest question of all. What was wrong with having a turn signal in a gear selector stock to begin with? That is a question, folks. And it's a good question. What is wrong with your traditional stock and the traditional turn signal? This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.